OPPO Find N2 5G is a pretty awesome device to settle for. In terms of user experience and features, the smartphone has covered all the things that users want. Finally, the brand has also given it a unique design to make it more stylish. About display and camera. The AMOLED display of the OPPO Find N2 5G measures 7.1 inches and it also features a resolution of 1920 by 1792 pixels, an aspect ratio of 18:9, and 370 pixels per inch pixel density. A Corning Gorilla Glass Victus is also provided by the brand for scratch resistance. Talking about OPPO Find N2 5G S optics department, it has a triple lens module on the rear surface. It is composed of an f1.850 wide-angle main shooter, an f2.032 megapixels telephoto shooter and an f2.248 megapixels ultra-wide-angle shooter. OPPO has also installed an f2.432 megapixels wide-angle shooter on the front face of the smartphone. Know about configuration and battery. The OPPO Find N2 5G delivers satisfactory performance regarding gaming and daily tasks with the help of its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset and an 8-core CPU. Moreover, 12GB RAM runs its operations with a meteoric speed, whereas an Adreno 730 GPU promises high-quality graphics. In the power department of the OPPO Find N2 5G, users get a 4520 mAh Li polymer-type battery that is structured to support a 67W Super VOOC fast charging system. About storage and connectivity, 256GB of internal memory is available to users with the OPPO Find N2 5G and it is a non-extendable type of memory. Talking about the connection options, this OPPO smartphone supports Wi-Fi, 5G, USB Type-C, 4G Volt, NFC, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V 5.3 and a GPS with GLONASS.